A dimension of sound, a dimension of sight, a dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. The time is now, on an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star. And this elevator travels directly to
the Twilight Zone.
Ah, just forgot it. Vous avez dû prendre les escaliers.
You should have to get this day.
Je ne m'entendrais pas si j'étais vous. Ah oui, mais c'est there if I were you. Si vous criez, vous ne ferez qu'empirer les choses. If you scream, it will only get worse.